What's up guys, this is Jonathan with Izaguirre Mobile Detailing here in Powder Springs, Georgia, and in today's video we're actually going to be going over our maintenance program. So some of you may be thinking, well, what is the maintenance program? So initially we come out and we do a complete detail on your vehicle, and then from then on a regular basis we come out and then we maintain your vehicle. Our most popular options are once a month, every 2 months, and then quarterly. We also have some clients that would like every 2 weeks. We also have people that are ranging from once a year to twice a year, right? So it's whatever suits you best. Now, what is included in the maintenance detail? In the maintenance detail, everything is included from the wash to wheels to tire shine to wax, and on the interior, conditioning, protection, shampoo, the whole thing. So what we want to do is maintain your vehicle to the fullest. And because we are seeing this vehicle on some sort of a regular basis is why we can afford to do this at a discounted price. For example, here, this is the kid hauler. This is the daily driver that tends to get a bit messy, so we clean this up monthly so our client can be a bit more stress-free. Now that you guys have a bit of an understanding of what the maintenance detail and the maintenance program is, I'm just going to be narrating kind of what you see on video. Right here, we are applying a wax and getting started on the interior. So because we see this vehicle on a monthly basis, it is not enough time for things to really sit and dwell onto the plastics or onto the carpets, so everything tends to clean up quite easily, requiring for the most part just a simple wipe down and compressed air to blow out the cracks and crevices and get everything cleaned up. So like we said, we are taking care of this vehicle monthly, so we are protecting this vehicle with some wax. We are also shampooing the carpets, which for the next go around makes cleaning up a lot easier, and also providing protection, which helps this vehicle always look its best. Right here, finishing up vacuuming this part of the carpet and now getting started on a basic shampoo. So we want to keep these carpets alleviated, so when we come back next month it will be easy to clean up again. Now getting started on the floor mats, and because these take most of the hit, we always pressure wash these and shampoo with our drill brush and pressure wash clean, just to make sure that these are as clean as possible. Again, these do take most of the hit, so we always want to do this thoroughly. Now getting started protecting the interior using a basic ceramic protection, just wiping it down onto the plastics, onto the leathers. So again, making cleanup for next time much easier, keeping these areas protected. Right here, nothing crazy, just cleaning up the navigation screen using a pH neutral cleaner and a fresh microfiber towel, so we ensure that we do not do any damage to the navigation screen. Shortly here we are going to be looking at the final results, but if you guys are at all interested in joining our maintenance program or have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to contact us. Our contact information is in the description box below. That's all from me. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Cheers.